Well, it is a new year and Ralph is on the road again.
He's at the Coral Castle in Homestead, Florida, creating a meatless meal that's fit for a king.
Today, Ralph on the Road is in Homestead, Florida, and we're heading to the Coral Castle. You've never seen anything like this place. And our friends at Lightlife have provided me with a super special secret ingredient. I can't wait to break into it. I'm gonna be inspired by this brand new year, and I'm gonna be making a good resolution bowl with our friends from Lightlife's Tempeh. It is an absolutely kicking product, and you're gonna dig it. I'm gonna be meeting up with Ken Burke. He's the man who knows everything there is about the Coral Castle. He's the tour guide extraordinaire, and he's gonna be letting me know all the secrets and the inspirations behind the Coral Castle.
Hey, Ralph, welcome to Coral Castle.
Hey, Ken, good to see you. Can I ring the bell?
Absolutely, 2 times.
The Coral Castle was single-handedly built by Latvian immigrant Ed Lee Skulnun, who attributed his skills to the secrets used to build the ancient pyramids.
Now, this was Ed's wow factor.
Well, yeah, a second. This whole thing is wow.
That's right. When you would come into the castle, he would have you push this around in a full circle. So I'm going to have you do it. Go ahead, push it.
All right.
Look at that. You are pushing 6,000 pounds. Now, that's the size of 2 small cars.
I've been known to throw my weight around.
Well, you just did.
All right, so tell me the story. What's this all about, this castle?
Well, this is about a tribute to a lost love that left him at the altar the night before his wedding.
Well, show me around. Give me the
Okay.
tour.
Over here, we have the Feast of the Love Table. This is actually a small heart within a larger heart. It weighs 5,000 pounds.
How big a guy was he? Big guy?
5 foot tall, he weighed 100 pounds.
No way.
Yep.
How does a guy like that big move all this stuff around?
We don't know. Now, over here, we have Ed's Sundial. And this is unique to Ed because there's never been one made like this in the history of sundials.
This is it.
The curvature of this bowl represents the curvature of the Earth inverted. This being the summer solstice, winter solstice, and spring and fall equinox. So this is a calendar by month, not by day, and a timepiece that's accurate within a minute. Now, when the corner of this shadow gets to that line right there, it's going to be 2:30. So I'm going to say it's about 2:26.
Time out. I have right now 2:26 on the clock.
Thank you very much.
Get out of here.
It's amazing, isn't it?
All this talk about time, I think it's time for me and you to eat. I'm gonna bring you out to my Airstream and I'm gonna show you what I know how to do. I don't know how to pick up any of these rocks, but I do know how to pick up a knife.
Well, let's do it.
Let's get out of here. Come on.
Let's go.
All right. Ken, come on in.
Thank you.
Let me tell you what goes on in here. Deliciousness happens in here. As architecture and weights and balances happen over there, the control of the deliciousness of Lightlife Tempeh is in my hands. So the most incredible thing about this Lightlife, it is packed with protein. One serving, 18 grams of protein, 150 calories. You know, the greatest thing about it, you put it on the grill, it is a complete flavor delivery system. Whether you want to put barbecue sauce on it, you want to put teriyaki sauce on it. I'm going with the mojo. Whatever it is, the tempeh is going to pick up the flavor, and you're going to put it in your mouth, and you're going to say 2 words. You know what those 2 words are? Thank you. So check this out. I got 2 right here. I'm going to make it out. I've got greens, and the tempeh is American made, baby. No GMOs, so you're feeling good about yourself, and your body loves you. All right, a little bit of black beans, packing on the protein right here. How about a little quinoa in the middle? All right, now let's get some broccoli on. This is good too. All right, now check this out. I made a mojo vinaigrette right over here. Let's slide this around on top of everything. And then I'm gonna bring the star of the show over here, my tempeh. I'm so excited for this stuff. And tempeh comes up. Look at you. Wow, that looks great.
Looks delicious.
You smell that?
Mmm.
Wow, look at that, boy. That looks delicious, huh? You got the grill marks, it's got that flavor of the mojo, and that tempeh packed with protein. 18 grams of protein per serving, baby.
That's exactly what I need.
You live long, you eat this. Gonna put some on top. Eat light, travel light. That's the mantra here today. I'm gonna give myself a little bit of avocado as well. Totally fantastic. All right, one goes right there. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit more of this mojo on top. Wow. Coming at you.
All right, bring it on.
Flying in. Look at that.
Wow, look at that.
This is everything you need. Our friends at Lightlife, I'm telling you, they got it figured out. Let's get into this.
All right.
Life-changing event about to happen right now.
Man, this is delicious.
You'll never miss meat.
Holy mackerel. I can't believe how good this is.
The flavor is banging. You know, as I sit here with my friend Ken, I like to think that this is a great start for both of us. A resolution to be good to my body, be good to my soul, and be good to you in the studio. I'll see you back there, and I'm going to bring back some Lightlife Tempeh.
Delicious. Absolutely delicious.
If there's any left.